Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with the simplest of simple scallop lace, which is usually worked as kerchief edgings or sari edgings, and this is modified or made attractive by using beads and whatnot. Sky is the limit for the imagination of the designer. Okay, this is the simplest form of that variation, and this can be customized as per our wish. For this particular small sample, I used my Hobby Store Aran Premium Acrylic Anti-Pill 5-ply yarn, and I used 2 size crochet hooks because this is worked in the long chain. I had to make the chains first. I used 1 mm larger hook for the chains and 1 mm smaller hook for the main work. So let's go into the video and learn the pattern. Chain multiples of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I shall make more multiples of 4 chains and get back to you. This is the foundation chains. It's not the foundation row. We are going to make the foundation row as the next row. Now for the foundation row, make a DC in the 6th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to work in the back bump. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Henceforth, chain 1, skip 1, DC in the next. So every alternate chain you're going to make a double crochet. Each double crochet is separated by 1 chain space. So continue all through this row. This is the foundation row. So continue, complete and get back. At the end of this foundation row, turn, chain 1, place a single crochet in the very first DC. Now chain 5, skip the next DC, and in the following DC, every alternate DC you're going to place 1 single crochet. Each single crochet is separated by 5 chains. So skip the next DC, on the following place 1 single crochet. So continue this stitch pattern till the end. I shall complete and get back. So I've completed row 1. It's a simple single crochet and chain row. I've placed my last single crochet in the 4th chain of the turning chain. Now turn your work, chain 1 and place a single crochet in the very first single crochet here, and then in every chain 5 space place 7 single crochets. So there is no single crochet in between the chain 5s. So place just 7 single crochet in every chain 5 space. Continue the stitch pattern all through. I shall complete and get back. So I've completed row 2. This is how the lace looks. It's a very simple lace, simple scallop lace, and this can be customized, and you can have variations, and you can have several different height stitches here to create a better scallop or a deeper scallop. And you can work this particular pattern directly onto any fabric that you want to have this particular lace with. Okay, and if you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, please do like and share our videos, subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Your comments are most welcome, and any help you require, you can just post in the comment. We'll get back to you. Or you may WhatsApp on the WhatsApp number given on the Magic Needles website too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.